Hi everyone. Today the topic that I'm talking about is transformational research platforms for UTS 2027. First, I will introduce the topic. The University of Technology Sydney is one of Australia's leading universities of technology. Apparently, UTS is in a very competitive industry. Transformational research platforms is an object that UTS are planning to reach by 2027. This object focuses on gaining collaborations both internally and externally. In order to gain collaborations and reach this object, it is necessary for UTS to understand how its competitive position and how its strategy is evaluated. The strategy analysis method that I used in this presentation is Porter's 5 forces. This framework compares 5 sections: competitive rivalry, bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of buyers, threat of new entrants, and threat of substitutes. These 5 sections help UTS analyze the strength and weakness of its competitive positions. This framework is useful and important because it helps understand the environment and the industry, so that strategy of UTS can be adjusted. First one is competitive rivalry. Within the Australian university sector, UTS main competitors are Macquarie University, University of Newcastle, and University of Wollongong. In terms of world ranking, according to QS World University Rankings, UTS is ranked the highest among them. In terms of geographic locations, UTS is located in the city of Sydney. This is one of its competitive advantages compared to its 3 main competitors. In terms of ATAR entry scores, UTS has the highest requirement in almost every area, including business, science, and arts. In the terms of overseas students, UOW has the highest percentage of international students. It is debatable whether it is good or bad for a university to have high percent of international students. In terms of students' survey results, UOW has the highest percentage of satisfaction, followed by NQ and Newcastle. Unfortunately, UTS has relatively low percentage of satisfaction overall. Next one is bargaining power of supplier. Different from other industries, university suppliers and contractors mainly supply equipment and services that fulfill the majority of the university's needs. In this case, the suppliers do not have much bargaining power over the universities. Most of the equipment and software that universities need is not unique. It is very easy for the universities to switch to other suppliers that offer lower prices or higher quality with the similar products and services. Next one is bargaining power of buyers. The buyers for the universities are students who are going to be enrolled. Students do not have much bargaining power over the university. Students do not have the power to change the tuitions. If a student wants to go to a particular university, he or she has to pay the tuition fee that's set by that university. Next one is threat of new entrants. The new entrants are threats to the well-established university like UTS. However, threat of new entrants is low. The barriers of entry for university staff are high. The barriers of entry for institutions are high. It is more difficult to start a university than it is to start other new business or organizations. In addition, when students are choosing universities, they tend to rely on the existing information and statistics. The existing and well-established university apparently have more competitive advantages over the new ones. Last one is threat of substitutes. One of the available substitutes for university can be apprenticeships. They can even earn money and gain qualification at the same time. Another one can be attending short courses to gain some proper license. These substitutes cost less and are less time consuming and sometimes easier. And these are the references that I used for this presentation, and thanks for listening.